Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 11, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, let's open up the File Explorer app once I actually find it. There we go. So File Manager, now this took a little bit longer than expected, but there we go. So once you open it up, let's allow whatever it wants. And from here you should see your both storages, so phone and SD card. Now I believe my photos that I will use as an example are on the phone. I'm just gonna quickly check, and yep, there they are. So let's start with the phone. As you will see, SD card basically has the same folders here, so I'm just gonna go over one. And at the beginning we have the DCIM, so this is the folder that will contain your photos, videos captured with the device. Then below that we have pictures, which will contain screenshots. Downloads folder containing anything that you have downloaded either through your web browser or email. It all gets saved here. And then majority of the other folders are usually empty. Things like the alarm, movies, music, notifications, podcast, ringtones. If you didn't download any kind of app, specific app that would save in there, then those folders will be empty. So let's find our files, which, like I said, I'm going to use the photos that I have captured as an example. Once you find them, all you need to do is simply hold the first one, it gets selected, and then you can tap on additional ones to select them additionally. Now you can also select all of them by tapping on the check mark right up here once you select a single one. As you will deselect, so you can see it's not visible here. Once you select one, it pops up and you can tap to select all. And this is also a way that you could select the majority of the photos or files. So if you don't want, for instance, couple out of like 100, you can simply deselect them after selecting all. Or if you want all of them, probably the more cleaner approach to it would be just selecting the entire folder itself, along with everything that is inside of it. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you, but once you select it, you have two ways of dealing with it. So you have the copy, right here, that's the copy with the 2 pages, or also move, which will completely remove the files from where they are right now and move them to a new location. Copy just creates additional set of the same files and moves them to a new location where all the old ones stay where they are. So choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with move, and from here you want to basically navigate where you want to move them. At the moment we're on the phone storage, so we can back out, and from here, for instance, go to the SD card if that's where we want to move it. And you can navigate into folders if you want to, or you can simply drop it right where we are right now. And there we go. So now camera folder should be, there we go, it's right over here, along with the 4 photos inside of it. And if we go back to the phone itself under the DCIM, you can see that this folder is now completely empty. That is previously where we had the camera folder. Now the same process will work for any kind of file. I just kind of use the folder or pictures as an example, but the process is exactly the same for anything that you want to move: music, movies, photos, podcasts, documents. It works the same way. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.